In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to another GitHub repo in Lovable AI. To get started, open your project in Lovable AI. Once you're inside the correct project, head over to Project Settings and then look for the Git or GitHub section. This is where Lovable manages the connection between your current project and the GitHub repository it's linked to. When you find that section, click Disconnect GitHub. Lovable will ask you to confirm that you want to disconnect, and this is an important moment to understand exactly what's happening. Disconnecting does not delete your existing GitHub repository. Your code, commit history, and repository itself all remain safe in GitHub. The only thing being removed is the sync connection between Lovable AI and that repository. So if you've been hesitant to click disconnect because you're worried about losing work, that's not what this action does. After confirming the disconnect, the project will no longer be linked to the old repository. From there, click Connect GitHub to begin linking the project to a different repo. If prompted, sign in to the GitHub account you want to use. Depending on your setup, this could be a personal account or an account connected to a team or workspace. Next, choose the GitHub account or organization that contains the repository you want to connect. Take a second here to make sure you're selecting the correct destination, especially if you have access to multiple accounts or organizations. Choosing the right one now helps avoid confusion later. Once that's selected, connect the Lovable project to the new repository. This is the step where you're effectively switching the project over from the old GitHub repo to the new one. After that, give Lovable a moment to complete the initial sync. This first sync is important because it establishes the new connection and makes sure everything is properly aligned between Lovable AI and GitHub. Depending on the size of the project or the repository, this may take a little time, so it's best to wait until the process finishes before making any additional changes. That helps prevent sync issues and ensures the new repository connection is fully in place. And that's it. You've successfully switched your Lovable AI project to another GitHub repository by disconnecting the old sync, reconnecting GitHub, selecting the right account or organization, and waiting for the initial sync to complete.